In a forgotten corner of the world, we stumble upon this legendary 1991 Mercedes-Benz S600 W140.
With the help of massive cranes, hydraulics, and a Me6.
Safely loaded onto the flatbed with precision straps and hydraulic systems, our legendary W140.
On the open road, our prized W140 heads to its new home. Every mile brings us closer to showroom perfection.
Unloaded and wheeled into the workshop, the W140 is ready for its complete transformation. Let the restoration magic begin.
Inside the workshop, disassembly begins. Wheels off, trim removed, revealing the solid foundation of this over-engineered masterpiece.
Systematic deep disassembly continues. Every panel removed with care reveals the legendary over-engineered structure beneath.
State-of-the-art dry ice blasting and laser cleaning strip away decades of decay. The bare metal shines like new, ready for perfection. Masterful body repair brings the W140 back to factory-straight perfection. Every dent and imperfection erased with precision. High-build primer seals the perfect body. The W140 is now ready for its iconic obsidian black rebirth in the paint booth.
The moment of truth fight. Deep obsidian black paint flows on like liquid glass, restoring the W140 to its legendary showroom glory.
Color sanding and multi-stage polishing bring the obsidian black to legendary mirror depth. The W140 now glows like it just left the 1991 factory floor.
The legendary 6.0-liter V12 heart is carefully extracted from the gleaming body harness. Mechanical resurrection begins.
Every component of the legendary V12 is meticulously rebuilt with modern CNC precision, and this engine will purr like new.
The reborn V12 slides back into its home. The heart of the W140 beats once again.
The cabin is reborn in sumptuous original black leather coat. Every surface now feels and smells like 1991 perfection. Every last piece of chrome and glass clicks home. The W140 stands reborn in absolute perfection. Final hand detailing brings every surface to absolute showroom perfection. This legendary W140 now looks better than the day it left the factory.
From forgotten wreck to absolute perfection, the legendary '91 Mercedes-Benz S600